Hey traders, look at this. ALF just dropped 70% on Friday, and the reason why is that they're going bankrupt. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on the bounce back up after a stock drops 70 to 80% after announcing bankruptcy. So on the side here, you can see I'm currently holding 50,000 shares of ALF overnight and up 2% right now, so up a little bit. But I'm expecting this to move back up to over 30 cents, possibly even 40 cents. And I'll tell you why. So what happens when a company announces bankruptcy is they drop the news that they're going bankrupt and the bears come in, right? So people who want to short the stock start shorting it, and they start shorting it all the way to the ground till it drops 60, 70, 80%. And at that point, the bears want to take their profits, the shorts want to cover, and all of that buying pressure from the shorts covering causes this massive dead cat bounce, and usually it leads into the next day, and typically these spike anywhere from 50 to multiple hundreds of percent from the bottom. So our trading plan going into this is we add near the bottom. In this case, we added at 21 cents, and our stop loss is below the low, which is 17 cents. So 21 cent entry with a 17 cent stop loss, and we're targeting 30 to 40 cents on this play. What we're expecting here is a mini short squeeze slash dead cat bounce back up to the 30 cent to 40 cent range, and we want to take profits up there because we expect the price to continue in a downtrend afterwards. After all, these guys are announcing bankruptcy, so these guys will eventually go to zero. So it's important to take profits while we still can, and I will update you guys on how it's going tomorrow. Updating ALF from yesterday, you guys remember that I said we added down here at 21 cents.
In this case, we added at 21 cents, and our stop loss is below the low, which is 17 cents.
And we were expecting it to hit 30 to 40 cents as our price target, and our stop loss was under 17 cents. Well, the stock never hit our stop loss. It went down to 19 cents, but never under 17, so we were still in the trade, and it exceeded our expectations. This one ripped from 19 all the way to 47. So this hit all of our price targets, and on this trade I was able to make over 14,000 overnight. I'll post up the screenshots from my brokers, and yeah, everything went according to plan. And this is one of the setups that we teach in our Rocket Signals Discord. So if you are interested, make sure you check out our links in the description. Lots of our members were able to bank today, many of them up hundreds and some even up a couple thousand overnight who took this with us. And this is just a prime example of how we can take advantage of these stocks that are dropping 80, 90% on bankruptcy news and swinging it for a bounce back up to the upside. If you guys are interested in finding these plays on your own, please consider joining our Discord. And I'll also be alerting some of my plays on Twitter, so make sure you follow me there as well. But that'll pretty much be it for this video. If you did enjoy, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and remember to turn on that notification bell every time I upload. But that'll be it for me. I'll see you in the next one.